Hello everyone, today I am going to talk about picture elements. The HTML5 picture element provides more flexibility for adding images that adapts to varying screen sizes. Without the need for media queries, it also provides for displaying an image in an alternative format if other formats are not supported by the browser. The picture element holds two types of the child elements, one or more source elements and an image element. Browser evaluates the information in each source element in sequence to determine which image to display. If none of the images in the source elements meet the browser requirements, the image specified by the image element is displayed. The picture element is a container for one or more source elements and one image element, which is the last child element, is blocked. The picture element also allows to specify several images designed to more correctly fill the browser view support instead of having one image select based on the viewport width. It can be used for following purposes: to crop and modify images for different media conditions, to offer alternative image formats when specific formats are not supported. I'm writing picture element inside the picture source element, and after that media a query that determines when the image should be loaded by the browser. Accept any valid media query that would normally be defined in a CSS. When you learn the CSS, you don't need to write media here. Inside the media, we wrote minimum wide 200 pixels, and after that src set the URL of the image to be loaded required. One more source here, one more source here. I'm going to put 3 different pictures here, and after that img src. You can put alt here. For the first picture, I put the minimum width 100 pixels. For the second one, I put 50 pixels. For the third one, I put 20 pixels. And this is the last picture img. If it is not supported or the match with the pixel minimum width, it's going to show this picture. When I double click, you will gonna see this picture here. Yeah, the first one. But when I change minimum to maximum, and save, you will see this picture. If you like this video, please click on the like button and then subscribe my channel.